I'm Selena. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this ponytail from Shein. This is a 22 inch. This is jet black, and of course, listen, just to give you a heads up, my hair is not jet black anymore. This is just me trying this ponytail out. I haven't dyed my hair in a while. However, let's get into this video. I am natural, so that's why you see me going through the process of deep conditioning my hair, blow drying it, and flat ironing it, because this ponytail is real sleek. And I think it worked out. Those titanium flat irons never fails me at all. Never. But that blow dryer from the beauty supply, $30, aesthetically pleasing. It's beautiful. It worked out well for my natural hair. Okay, so this is a Velcro ponytail. And this is the piece right here that you wrap around that is somewhat curled right there. Now I'll put the price up on the screen somewhere, so pay attention for that. All right, so I have my bead brush because of course with this hair I'm going to be using a bead brush. So let's comb it to see what happens. It's smooth, but not 100% smooth. And of course it sheds. So this is how it's looking. And let me unravel it so that you can see what the inside is giving. This is the inside. I would say it's well constructed. That's the inside right there. And then it has one small comb. It's pretty small. I can run my fingers through it. Let's see how to attach it to our hair. Let's see. I'm gonna keep my hair out because it'll become flat, I'm assuming. So let's see. Listen, this ponytail, it doesn't feel like a whole lot going on. It's like pretty light. It's not heavy or anything. This is what it's giving right here. It's like what I was going for was like a natural looking ponytail. Nothing too sleek or anything, just sleek enough, but just to give that natural look. So I think I accomplished that. So this is what it's giving right here. I wrapped everything right here. I have a white rubber band, so hopefully you don't see that. That will be a bonus, but this is the ponytail right here. And I am feeling it tangling up just a little, but I can deal with that. I can deal with that. I sure can. But I like it. I like it. For the price that I paid for it. Yeah, for the price that I paid for it. First experience with Shein hair, putting it on. I know the lace part of it, where everything lays at. I could feel that like right here within my ponytail. Now I don't know if that's how it's supposed to lay or not. However, if you can't see it, it wouldn't matter because it does feel secure with this one little comb. So it's feeling good. It's feeling soft so far. So I guess I'll come back sometime later and let you know how it wears on the outside after I've worn it for a day. So you all let me know what you think in the comments. And this is the end of this review of the Shein 22-inch ponytail. I like it so far. It was easy to put on. The hair is soft. It does shed. It is synthetic. So I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.